Hey guys, my name is James. A while back ago, I said I was going to make a Google Analytics report about once a month for this channel, and this is it. As you watch the monthly reports, this video is going to probably give you a good idea of how a small channel grows, or maybe is not able to grow because of some of the mistakes that I'm going to be making while trying to grow this channel. One of the reasons why I'm doing this is by looking at my own analytics and going through and analyzing them. Hopefully I'll be able to learn some of the mistakes that I'm making and grow the channel much better, much faster. And for you viewers, hopefully you won't be making the same mistakes I make. So this is going to give you a very much an insight on how a small channel grows on YouTube. Obviously, not all channels are the same. Based on the different niches and different other factors, your channel may grow a lot faster and you may not even make the same mistakes that I make. Yeah, I guess that's about it. I guess that's the reason why I'm doing this video. I will be creating a separate playlist for the analytics report. For some of you guys that don't want to watch the other content, you're just interested in the Google Analytics. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you guys can subscribe. Thanks. So let's go to my YouTube analytics. So I have 606K views with 86 videos. In the last 30 days, I have 36.7K views with 9 videos. Now right here, we have a little bit of a blip. Actually, 3 blips, 1, 2, and 3, which were higher views than normal. And I'm going to show you what those are. Let's go to my managed videos. Now you can see right here we have a 58-second video, another 58-second video, and another 59-second video. These are the small blips that you saw, which has 466 views, about 1,200 views, and another 1,100 views. These are the long format videos instead of the wide format videos, which are called YouTube Shorts. These videos have to be less than a minute. And you can only upload them from your smartphone. So you can't upload it from your laptop or home computer. It has to be uploaded from your smartphone. Also, you can't monetize these videos. Actually, you know what? Oh, I think you can monetize it. Yeah, so I'm just going to turn these on. But at the time of upload, you can't monetize these videos. Most of these views were gathered within the short time frame of within 2 days. After that, it dropped off and it gets a typical normal average views, which are like 1 or 2 for me. So again, those are the blips. These shorts were created to combat or go up against TikTok, the short format. And again, they gave me a lot of views in the beginning, but they were not monetized. Let's go to the analytics report. I have about 35.6K views. Watch time is 2.1K with about 182 subscribers, 88 more than usual. The estimated revenue is about 183, around there. And this is on par maybe with last month, I guess. As you saw before, the shorts did not get monetized. So I guess that might be one of the reasons why it's about the same. Also, I want to go to the content and let me just show you something. I uploaded this video right here, which has 9 likes and 104 views. And as you can see, I set it to private. This video is basically the same one as this one. The duration is pretty much the same. It's actually the same video, but I did blur like the RPM on this video. Someone was mentioning that it is against I guess, terms of service to show the RPM, which I'm not sure is true because a lot of the bigger YouTubers seem to just show their RPMs. Some do, some don't. And for me, I don't have a YouTube manager like some of the bigger channels, which I could just call them up and say, hey, turn this back on, turn my account back on, and things like that. And that's why I just decided not to take the chance and blur out the RPM. This video was gaining some traction for some reason. This was actually taken down to private within a couple of hours. This one has been on for a long time, and as you can see, it only has still 78 views and only 4 likes. So I have about 2,500 views in the last 48 hours. And let's go to the analytics, and then we'll go to the reach. So we have 220K impressions with 5.9K click-through rate, 35.6K views, 22.5K unique viewers. With the traffic source, we can see that the YouTube search is 36.6, external is 29.3, suggested videos about 10.7, browse feature 7.3, and shorts, which is 7.2. So I guess shorts is really a thing on YouTube right now. You do get promoted if you do the shorts. Well, I would think that the shorter videos will typically get more views because a lot of people have a minute to spare. Rather than watching a whole long video, about a minute is not that long of a video to watch within their break time. And you can see my traffic source, the Ender 3 silent board upgrade firmware, 8.9, and then the silent board upgrade is about 5.8. The direct drive is a 4.2. Suggested videos. Now we'll go to the engagement. We have about 2.1K watch hours. The average view duration actually went down when I uploaded the shorts. There were a lot more view counts, as you saw with the blips in the graph before, but the average view duration actually went down when I uploaded those videos. Anyway, that's what I noticed. And as you can see, it's again, this is my audience retention. You can see that it's on a downward slope for most of my videos. A typical, it just goes from here and then drops down, starts dropping down more and more, 20%, 23%, 17, 19. It's typically like the same for a lot of the videos that I have uploaded. And my top video right now is the direct drive, Microswiss direct drive, and the Ender 3 silent board upgrade, the Creality Pro bed leveling, the CR10S Pro BL Touch bed leveling, and the Rhino ramps. The top playlist is the silent board upgrade, which is 58%. We'll go to the audience. Subscribers who turned on all notifications is about 10%. So still a majority of my viewers are from the United States, 6.8 from Germany, 6.1 from UK, Canada 4.7, France 3.6. Most of them are going to be male from the ages of 25 to around 54. And for the revenue, again, I'm not going to show the RPM, but I'm going to show you the monthly estimated revenue. Right here, you can see for January or February. Top earning video is a Microswiss direct drive, Ender 3, silent board upgrade, etc. And it drops off like that. If somebody does know if you can actually show the RPMs, if it's within the YouTube's terms of service, or actually it may be Google AdSense terms of service, I'm not sure, it might be one of the two, but some people were mentioning that you're not allowed to show RPMs, things like that. But if somebody does actually know and can point me in the right direction, please leave it in the comments below. Thanks. So the real difference from this month to last month is that I did actually add these short videos, which was I guess recommended, or like, I didn't even know the shorts existed or what it was. It's actually to combat or to go up against TikTok. And again, what else can I show? If you guys have any ideas or anything that you would like to take a look at, let me know in the comments below. For some reason, the advanced mode, the line graphs are not working. I can see that the bar chart is working, but the line graph for some reason is not working as I'm doing this video. So I'm not going to be able to show you like the graphs other than the bar chart, which is not very visually great in showing the comparisons between videos. But that's what I have to work with right now. The line chart is not working. YouTube search, the externals, suggested videos, the browse feature, shorts. A lot of my things are really just coming in from YouTube search. Yeah, 36%. Externals. Let's take a look at the externals. What are the externals? Again, is search. Google search, 68%. DuckDuckGo, from Thingiverse, Facebook. Yeah, but these are like small 1%ers. The majority is coming from Google search. The geography, mainly from the United States. So if you would like to see more of these type of videos, let me know in the comments below. Please like and subscribe to this channel. Want to see how a small channel grows, or if it's able to grow, subscribe to this channel. You don't even have to subscribe. Just drop in from time to time and take a look at the YouTube analytics. It's going to give you an idea of the mistakes, some of the mistakes that I'm going to make. Hopefully you don't have to make those mistakes, because I'm going to make them here. And then you'll be able to learn from it. I'll be able to learn from it and go from there. Operating systems. I don't even think the operating system is very important. Well, actually, the operating system is very important because it'll let you know if they're watching it from their smartphone or their laptops or their computers. Android has to be a smartphone. iOS, probably a smartphone. So let's take a look at which video has the largest view duration. It is 8 minutes and 15 seconds, which is the MicroSwiss Direct Drive installation guide. After that, see, the chart is not working right now. That's the problem. I'm not able to show you a lot of things because the chart's just not working right now.